At KGB Aviation, we specialize in data services. This includes flight data recorder readouts, cockpit voice recorder intelligibility tests, and data link decoding. We've spent years developing our FDR software, and most recently our data link decoding software. This allows us to decode the fans' messages, which are recorded on the CVR. We've used our vast experience and our data services to develop a continuous improvement system which allows us to quickly identify issues that are hard to find and in some cases have been misidentified for years. Our specialties don't stop at data services. We also have designed and are in production of DART, Data Acquisition Ruggedized Tool. This is our in-house custom designed tool. It was developed from the ground up and is the most sophisticated tool in the market. We wanted to design an easy-to-use tool that would save the maintenance team time and increase their capability. With the ability to transfer data automatically and wirelessly from DART to our custom and secure AWS portal, the days of fighting FTP sites, drop boxes, IT security regulations are gone. DART is really a community tool, and as our users provide feedback, we can include these ideas and improve the user experience on our quarterly updates. The real beauty of DART is that we can remotely add capability by pushing updates or turning on specific features for customers. Integrating KGB Aviation's unique data services experience and leveraging DART's cutting-edge technology has positioned KGB Aviation to be an emerging OEM in the GSE global markets. I would say that I'm defined by a few key characteristics: entrepreneurship, technology, aviation, and customer service. It's taken me a lifetime to develop these skills, and I feel very fortunate to be able to leverage each skill in my day-to-day activities. It has been said that if you love what you do, that you'll never work a day in your life. And that's exactly what I'm doing. For the past 35 years, I've been working and providing a valuable service to an industry that I love. It is a dream come true. Throughout the duration of my career, I've worked on multiple aircraft recording systems and found that the tools available were limited. We have very specific reasons for designing DART that were all based on easing the maintenance team's workload. We knew that a sophisticated and easy-to-use tool like DART would quickly gain popularity in the industry if we focused on a few key things: ease of use, remote support, and automatic data transfer. Above all, we wanted to create a customer-centric tool that solves today's complex needs of airlines and MROs. We're excited to see DART continue to disrupt the market as we progress and witness our positive effect on the industry.